In this video, I am going to teach you how to leave a Microsoft Teams group quickly and easily. This is perfect if you want to clean up your teams and remove yourself from groups you no longer need. Let's get started. Go to the Microsoft Teams application and sign into your account. Make sure your internet is stable so Teams loads properly. Go to the team you want to leave on the left sidebar. Click on the name of the team to open it fully. Click the three dots at the top right corner of the Teams page. This will open more options for that specific team. You will see different options in the drop-down. Click Leave and then confirm when the pop-up appears. After confirming, you'll be removed from the group. Bonus tip: before leaving, double-check if you need to save any files or chat history from that team because you might lose access once you leave. And that's how to leave a Microsoft Teams group. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy guides. See you next time!